here in Littleton, Colorado, and today we're going to be doing some maintenance. So come along and we'll check out what I'm doing.
That's a snake?
Caught a snake. Smells good. This right here is called Chara. It's another type of algae. It's very difficult to get rid of, but as long as it's close to the surface, it's not too bad. As you can see, there's a lot of fish food coming out of the crevices as I'm starting to skim the top of the pond here, which means that the fish are being overfed. Fish can only eat so much, and once it starts to float away, they really don't chase it. So then it ends up floating around the pond, and that can actually lead to higher levels of algae as well. Fish can typically be fed no more than once a week, and they're just fine because they nibble on all the bacteria and the algae in the pond as well. Now we can fire it up. I got a hand pump here. I'm gonna try and push it out. Because that's not water down there, that's bacteria that's leaking from that bag. So, okay, so here's a pro tip about installing a bag into your auto dose system. It's a plastic tube, right? So when you twist it up, or twist on the cap, it's gonna twist up the tube. So what you should do, and you twist it counterclockwise a couple times, maybe 4 or 5 times, and now you can put it on and twist it clockwise, and there, now it's not all twisted up, and you can just drop it back in there. We got one more job to do. We're still out here in Littleton. We've got a lot of algae problems today. It's kind of been reoccurring from the same jobs that we've been to so far. And it's mostly because of the hot temperatures. It's been extremely hot. Today it's up to 96 or so. But these hot temperatures are going to increase that algae. But other than that, these ponds are looking great. The water's clear, and we got stuff flowing. So once again, I'm inspecting the intake on the pump here. There we go. So a little bit of dirt on the inside, but there's nothing blocking the interior here, so it is a-okay to go. One scoop. Oh, it's too heavy. Oh, it broke. Oh, it's stuck to my glove. All right, well, that's all for today. We got, what, 5 maintenance stops done. We visited them all, we checked their auto doses, and we just made sure that they're up to speed. It's definitely, the lesson of today was definitely that, you know, it's that time of the year in Colorado when it's just, the sun is just beating down right at the end of summer, and it's just starting to create all these algae problems for a lot of ponds. So we went over that, and we went over a couple of different ways we get rid of them. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.